Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create split screen effect in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it's done. Import and add both video clips to the timeline on separate tracks, one above the other. Select the top clip, then open the inspector panel. Adjust the crop settings. Crop left or right to reveal the other clip below. Adjust softness for smooth edges if needed. Use the position X or Y controls to move each clip for better alignment. Done! You now have a split screen effect. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.